Hello there guys, and welcome to another video. Now, in my last video I think I stumbled upon the bad area of town of Vienna, because I've just been in the centre, just had a meal, and I enjoyed it, and it was a nice atmosphere. It was a nice traditional Austrian feel to it. But I'm now just walking back to my hotel, and I thought I would vlog it basically and show you guys some of the streets, some of the back streets of Vienna. These things always click, I've noticed. There is one thing that I'm not 100% happy with here in Vienna, and that's the fact that it's not very pedestrianised here. I mean, it's okay here, but actually when you get into the centre of Vienna, like more into the touristy areas, it is quite difficult, and you've got to be on your wits about you. Lovely trees. Aha. Try it down here. There's buses, cars, trams everywhere. Look at these buildings. It's nice and cool now though. It's not as warm as it was in Bratislava. That was a friendly wave. The first one I've had from a taxi driver. It says here no entry, so I wonder what this is. But look at this, these walls could tell some stories from when they were built, whenever that was. Probably seen both world wars. And probably predates both wars actually by quite a way. This is obviously new. But guys, I've got no idea where I'm going now, so I'll have to keep looking at Google Maps to see how to actually get back to my hotel. Just gonna take a look now. So like I said, I'm in the Hotel Caroline, so it looks like I actually need to be heading in the direction that I came, so I'll take this street up here and I'll see if I can actually get back onto that street from this direction. Yeah, we're heading in the right direction. But I've got to say, thank God for Google Maps, because I would be totally lost in Vienna. There is not a lot of signs as well, really, so you could very easily get lost. Right, now which way? So we want to be this way. But it's nice and relaxing and chilled out now. It doesn't have like, well, such as Bratislava, that was a very relaxing city, and I get the same impression with Vienna. It's just on a massive grand scale. Shisha pipe bar place, I don't know what it is. And you've got all the usual like Spar, you've got your Lidl, you've got your Aldi, them sort of shops. You've got the trams. I think that the tram is the most popular form of transport in Vienna, to be honest, other than the scooters as well. The kids seem to love the scooters. Just stumbled upon that, which I'm not really sure what it is. It's open. Okay. Thank you. What a beautiful church, and I met quite a nice guy in there called Radish, or Rahish, I think he's called, an Indian guy from Kerala. Just been talking to me about his journey to Austria and how he became a priest in Vienna. It's got a bit of water on the lens there. But we'll carry on with this mini walking tour of Vienna, or the back streets of Vienna, where you might not see it if you actually did arrive in Vienna. It's sort of off the beaten track. That's another good thing here, is they've got the cycle lanes, but like I said before, it does get a bit difficult when you're in the centre of Vienna. It's not very good for pedestrians. They do stop when they should do. I've seen this all over town. 1st to the 23rd of June. It's a horse with a guitar, electric guitar. There's like a revolving one here, like a board full of things that's on. Oh, there's Sarah Millican there. Sarah Milligan, a British comic that isn't very funny. What else is there? There's some strange looking people on these. Mozart, but background to Sarah Milligan. I didn't know she was big here in Austria. And what's this? I think it's something to do with the German bank. And there's the Raiffeisen Bank. Is that how you pronounce it? Do not know what it is. You see, you just never know when the cars are going to actually stop, or if they're going to let you go. Or, I mean, if you just stepped out in the road, then that woman there would have just driven me over. Raining quite bad now. Don't know if you can see on the camera. Ah, that's the haunted house, which is not far from my hotel. So I think what I'll do, guys, is I'll wrap this video up now. It's just a little vlog showing you some of the back streets of Vienna. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Scary. In the Vienna underground train system. lost in the Vienna underground, in the tube stations of the city. Oh! Well, that was easy enough. Wasn't lost for very long. Voila! Aha! So I went from that direction. I was over there a minute ago. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to leave it there, so I am going to sign off now. So thank you very much for watching.